Jacksonville trapping and I don't give a damn. I get this fucking paper just like Uncle Sam. These niggas talking stupid, then I'ma get dumb. I put that fucking chopper, watch these little pussies run. Now watch me get that money if these niggas want a ton. I don't give a fuck because I do this shit for fun. I take a nigga life. I take a nigga wife. I cut his fucking throat with your motherfucking knife.
Well, I never been a pussy and I never been a bitch. All my life I got money, ain't got pussy on my dick. I was broke little nigga, so I started selling lick. A lot of K4s, yeah, I sell that shit. Hit the weed man up the shit, little legit. Start fucking bitches, dog. Yeah, I come real quick. Cause I gotta give back to the motherfucking money. Even though I'm just you, the money still coming. Yeah, I got tight time, but I flow for fucking fun. Pull out the 40, you can hear the fucking drum.
Yeah.
Fuck with me, dog, here all the goons come.
Hey,
All the goons come, all the goons come.
well, pistol grip and shout a bitch, I'm about to bust that too. It's T Cooper, baby, what the fuck you wanna do? Now why me get the money? You laughing cause it's funny. I pull my fucking chopper, hang your ass looking dummy. I'm fresh from head to toe. I take your fucking hoe. I do this shit you know. And where you wanna go is what I tell your bitch, cause you know I'm about to throw a stag. I tell her get back, hop back on the track, get so stupid that slang, I hop back on the... Man, I'm getting tongue tired shit. I'm high, everybody. I'm getting fuck, no lie.